Does your timeline look something like this? Let's talk about how to use fusion nodes in DaVinci Resolve. In this video, we're going to take a look at the fusion page. So the fusion page can be a bit intimidating or confusing if you're coming from a software like Premiere, where it's a layer-based system instead of a node-based system. But really, once you get the basics down of how the nodes work, it's a lot easier and more efficient than the layer system. Let's take a look at a basic node structure and break it down. First up, we have the media in and media out nodes. The media in node is your start, and the media out node is going to be all the changes you've made to that media in. So basically, you have the start and you have the end. In between those two nodes is the merge node. A merge node is a very commonly used node. You're going to see it pretty often. It's basically a connector node. And we can see there's a text node attached to that merge node. You can kind of imagine what this is going to create. You have your media in, which is your starting clip. Then you have your text, which is merging the two. And then finally, those two together would pop out as the text on the background. Now you're probably wondering what all the triangles around the node mean. So first up, the square is output, the yellow triangle is input, the green triangle is the foreground layer, and the blue triangle is the effect mask. So now let's break down our intro node to see how we made it. So let's break down our intro. So pretty much we have our title, our metal, our other title, and our logo. Now let's work in reverse and break this down. So we're going to start off with our title, and this is underneath all of our other things, so this is up first. Next we're going to add our metal, then I'm going to transform it, and then I'm going to add a drop shadow for detail. Now let's do that again for the second one. Just repeat what you did the first time. Now we're going to add our text, just our title, DaVinci Pro, and we're going to transform it and add a drop shadow to it as well. Then we're going to add our logo, we're going to transform it, and we're going to add a drop shadow as well. So that's everything that's going to go into this title. I skipped all the keyframes and adjusting everything just to save on time, but you can see the process of how I made this, and hopefully this video helped you understand nodes better. If you liked it, hit a like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Thanks.